Di na ako kakabahan. Sanay na yata ako magsalita sa harap. Pero kinakabahan pa rin pala ako. Hello, Atomy Philippines! Yes, my name is Maria Buya Acharya. Sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala, I just got married 3 days ago. Yes, I would just like also to thank my husband. He's one of the best person who actually encouraged me to quit my job and do Atomy full-time. I am from Atomy, Canada. For those who doesn't know my story yet, probably some people already knew me because some invited me to talk into their Zoom meetings. Isa rin akong host ng Atomy Canada, kaya sanay na ako sa stage, to be honest. Pero hindi ko talaga alam, ba't kinakabahan pa rin ako. But anyway, ang story ko, I started to get to know Atomy 2016. I didn't do the business until 2019. That's almost 3 years, right? If you would ask, bakit? Kasi kararating ko lang po ng Canada back in 2015. So, like Sharon Rose Master Faye, sabi niya, anong gusto niya, ba't nagpupunta na ibang bansa? Greener pasture. However, 3 years after, I actually got sick. So, I was in and out of the hospital. I cannot actually go to work. I only go to work probably once a week. Sa Canada kasi, no work, no pay. So meaning, marami kang bills na babayaran, marami kang rent. Actually, marami mga insurance. Hindi ka makakasurvive dun pag wala kang insurance din sa Canada. And then I realized na kahit pala graduate na ako, I'm a registered nutritionist dietitian by profession. I also took my master's degree in food science. Pero hindi guarantee ang magandang trabaho. Kasi bakit? Pag nagkasakit ka, wala ka pa ring income. So, naghanap ako ng ibang ways to actually, how to continue having passive income nang hindi ka lumalabas ng bahay. Kailangan lagi meron tayong backup plan. Ganun siya ka-importante. Most story, kagaya ng lahat, I started as a part-timer, 2019. And now, since January 2025, I'm a full-time Atomy member now. I mean, Atomian na ako talaga 100% na gusto ko na i-full-time yung Atomy. Why? For today, I will talk about auto sales mastership. Ito yung talagang goal ng bawat isa sa atin. Why? Because the income and the passive income would actually come from auto sales mastership. So are you ready to embark on a life-changing journey? Yes? Ang hina naman, parang hindi. Are you ready to embark on a new life-changing journey? Yes. Atomy, the renowned global network marketing company, offers you an opportunity to transform your financial situation through its powerful compensation plan. So, for today, I will discuss 3 core topics. What is Auto Sales Master? Pakitaas po kamay ang lahat ng sales master na nandito ngayon. Taas ang kamay, huwag kayong mahiya, pinaghirapan nyo yan. Dapat proud kayo. And we will talk about how to become an auto sales master. And also, global auto sales mastership. Nakikita niyo po itong pin na to. Sino ang lahat ng mga global auto sales master? Taas ang kamay! Ayan, proud na proud kasi pinaghirapan din. So to be an auto sales master, one must learn everything you need to know about Atomy. So now, let's talk about first, what is Sales Master? Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam or first-timer, what is Sales Master? In Atomy, there are 7 levels of mastership that starts from Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and the highest level is Imperial Master. So the first level of mastership in Atomy is Sales Master. So Sales Master is when you will be able to collect 5 million points in 15 days. So in every month, meron tayong 1 to 15 and 16 to 30. So if you'll be able to build your group, your left group and your right group, collect 2.5 million points on each side, you'll be able to achieve the sales mastership. And you will get how much? Ang hina, parang di kayo excited. Sino kumikita ng 40,000 dito in 15 days? Meron ba? Wala pa. Dapat excited kayo sa 40,000, pero hindi enough, no? Kasi mataas ang cost of living sa Pilipinas. Actually, sa Canada, mataas din. Mas mataas nga di ba? Ano naman ang Auto Sales Master? Auto means automatic. So, an Auto Sales Master automatically makes 5 million points in every 15 days. It gets a monthly income of how much? Ngayon, mas malakas. Sinong gusto ng 80,000 every month? Hindi sila happy sa 40, 80. Nakita niyo ba, ma'am, yung mga partners na nagtaasa ng kamay, gusto ng 80,000. So ito talaga yung goal ng bawat lahat. Ito rin ang dahilan bakit nag-full-time na ako sa Atomy. Kasi nga 80,000 every month. Sino po nag-80,000 every month? Wala pa. Ibig sabihin, wala pang auto sales master. Ngayon pag-uusapan natin, what's next? How to become an auto sales master. Gusto niyo bang kumita 80,000 every month? Yes. So, meron tayong tinatawag na 8 steps to success. There are so many lectures in YouTube and Channel Atomy. Kabilang na si Sharon Rose Master Lorraine just recently may lecture siya about 8 steps to success. Pero medyo marami. Yung iba hindi agad matatandaan yan. Ako, memorize ko na. Basta auto sales master ka, memorize mo yan. Imposibleng hindi. Ngayon, paikliin ko yan. I made a presentation for everybody. For me, how to become an auto sales master based on my experiences for the last 6 years. You have to be an Atomy lover. Ngayon, taas ang kamay, lahat ng Atomy lover na nandito ngayon. Atomy lover, halos lahat nakataas ang kamay. Ngayon, alamin natin, ano ba talaga ang pagiging Atomy lover? Atomy lover stands for learner. To become an auto sales master, one must be a learner. You must also be an owner, or you have to take ownership of your business. Sino ang visionary? Kasi to become an auto sales master, you have to be a visionary leader. And of course, you have to be empathetic. Kanina lang kakadiscuss ng compassion. Ngayon, kung empathetic tayo, imposibleng di naantig ang puso natin dyan. Even ako, nag-adapt ako ng isang bata from Haiti, si Love You na, from compassion. Kasi dapat empathetic. Diba? Malaki yung puso para sa lahat. And of course, pag Atomy lover ka, you should be resilient. Now, let's discuss it in details. So, pag Atomy lover ka, you should be a learner. So, what are the things you need to learn? First, you need to learn more about the products. What is the best way to actually learn about the products? Use the products. Learning the products, having your own experience is the best way, no other things. Even if you keep reading information, research, until you use the products yourself, you heard so much about Atomy, use the products yourself, you have your own experience, you will get to know about it, right? You have to switch your brand to Atomy from head to toe. Nung naisip ko yung information, yung chance ko to do the business in Atomy, to succeed in Atomy business, di na ako nagdalawang isip. Most of the people, if you have bulk of shampoo, kasi sa Canada, pag namimili, bulto-bulto, ang lalaki, no? Mga matagal, litro-litro. Hindi ako nagdalawang isip. Pinapon ko agad yung ibang brand ko na shampoo. Pinalitan ko lahat. Hindi ako nagdalawang isip. So, because that is what commitment is all about too, right? And of course, you have to learn about the system. What's the best way to learn about the system? Tell me, sa mga leaders na nandito ngayon. Seminars! Success Academy, one-day seminars. Anong sabi ng Sharon Rose Master Lorraine kanina? Not just 1, not just 2, not just 3. Lahat ng seminar, attendan nyo. Before I was like that too. Kasi 2019 ako nag-start. So if you think about it, I achieved my sales mastership, then diamond mastership, same year. And then nag-COVID. 2020. I'm not sure how I'm gonna continue doing the business. However, because of the system, to be honest, mas nag-grow yung business ko ever since nag-COVID. So, you need to plug in the system. How? You need to watch Channel Atomy, YouTube, but then each and every meetings. Napagod din ako sa meeting kasi ang daming online almost every day. Hanggang kinat-down namin yung 7 times meeting to 2 days. 2 days in a week. Kasi ganun talaga. Pero ngayon po, alam niyo ba, ako na yung lagi nagpapa-meeting almost every day. Can you imagine? That's the key of becoming an auto sales master. And of course, you must learn about vision of Atomy. Yung vision ng Atomy, that is when you bring your people to the meetings, of course, they will listen to each and every leader sharing their vision about Atomy. Of course, the management objectives na natutunan nyo ngayon from Sharon Rose Master Faye, na-discuss yan kanina. Very important. Why? Because even to former President Benjamin Franklin, he said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Bakit lahat ng mga magulang sinesend ang mga anak nila sa school? Why? Because we believe It's for for a better future. Tama ba? Yes. Eh bakit di natin pag-aralan si Atomy if it will pay the best future too? So everybody will be a learner now? Awesome. Next, one must take ownership of their business. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, because I have a member before, sabi niya sa akin, sige Maria, attend ka na lang, and then later, tell me all the stories. Kwento mo na lang sa akin, kasi she wanna skip the part of attending the meeting. Diba? Pero hindi kasi pwede na ganun. Walang shortcut sa Atomy. Kailangan you have to really go through everything what you need to go through, right? And one must be willing to work hard. Kung kinakailangan ko umuwi sa Pilipinas every single year, I did that. Kung kinakailangan ko umakyat ng Baguio, I did that. Sa Rizal, mapapunta ka ng Laguna, ng Pangasinan, Pampanga, lahat pinuntahan ko rin. Diba? After nung COVID, pinuntahan ko lahat. Siyempre, nag-support ka ng mga partners, right? Hindi ka susuko. And of course, dahil business owner ka, siyempre, kailangan lahat alam mo. You also have to study and learn all about the system. You need to know how to sign up people. You need to know how to check your points. Because then, how will you be able to duplicate yourself, right? For a good tree to actually bear good fruit, you need to be the best tree. So you need to learn all the information you need. And for all the leaders who's here right now, you must make your partners proud. Kasi yun lagi kong iniisip. I want my partners to be so proud of me na wala silang tatakbuhan ako. Minsan may experience natin na lagi na lang wala yung sponsor ko, but it's okay. Kasi sabi ko, ang sponsor natin, sino? Si God. So meaning, lahat, kakayanan natin, basta ang sponsor natin si God. And of course, because business owner ako, simula na nag-quit ako sa work, people think I don't do anything. But to be honest, I never wake up like 3 a.m. just to work when I have my full-time job. However, now na nag-Atomy ako, even 3 a.m. gigising ako ng madaling araw. For Atomy, everyone willing to wake up early just to have a Zoom meeting? Oh, you should say yes louder. Yes. And I've been committed to do 8 core activities with my partners too. We're watching videos in Channel Atomy together. Proud na proud ako to finish almost all the videos since January. Next, of course, you have to be visionary. There's no better way to predict the future but you yourself having your own vision. And it's also not enough having your own vision just for you. Kasi ang tunay na leader, hindi lang yung sa'yo yung nakikita mo. If you have your members, to be honest with you, I learn about all their stories. And I also want to share this book, who's attending Go Sales Master Camp right now. It's happening right now, right? Ang ganda po ng workbook doon. There's a workbook almost 5-6 pages talking about just creating the vision and dreaming vividly. I encourage all leaders, please do it with your partners. Because when I was doing it since January, I realized yung mga dreams and vision ng mga partners ko. And some of them actually have nothing. Parang wala na silang dream. And I get frustrated of like, how come they don't see kung ano yung nakikita ko sa Atomy? Bakit kaya? So I keep asking. It's because some of them, or most of them I would say, I have partners from 18 years old and above, even like really older, 70, 75 years old. They think there's nothing in there down the road. Parang feeling nila, 50 pa lang, wala na, pa-retire na sila, wala na daw silang kayang gawin. So of course, as an auto sales master, as a leader, we have to be visionary. We have to let them see kung ano yung pwede nilang ma-achieve through Atomy. Di ba may Crown Master? 80 years old, Crown Master in Atomy. You know how much Crown Master makes? Magkano ba sa peso yun? Mahina po ako sa math eh. $300,000, $400,000. Magkano po yun sa peso? 12 million pesos, 80 years old, pinapalakpakan yan. Only Atomy can actually offer that. So this part, this workbook, Reality Check for a Balanced Life, I realized most of my partners actually, wala sila sa balanced life, sobrang layo pa. And of course, earlier you also saw life scenarios of the other Atomians who actually shared. Because ang number 1 goal ng bawat lahat is balanced life. As a leader, ito talaga yung pinaka dapat meron tayo. Kasi if the leader doesn't have a vision, let's just imagine president of the country. Lahat ng meron sa Pilipinas, nakadepende kanino? Sa president eh. Eh kung ang presidente walang vision, paano na tayo? Pero nakaka-inlove si Atomy. Why? We're so lucky because Chairman Park is a dreamer and a visionary. That's why. So we should also become one. And of course, according to Eleanor Roosevelt, she's the first lady in US, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Right? Next, pagka nakapag-create ka na ng vision, it actually doesn't happen very fast, being a visionary or setting your goals. Sa 8 steps to success, actually number 1 yung setting the goal eh. Number 2 yung commitment. Pero sa presentation ko, I actually started with learning. Did you notice? Kasi I must admit, even when I first started, I don't have a goal with Atomy. That's why I didn't do it for the next 3 years after I signed up. Kasi the more I learn about Atomy, that's the only time I actually started building my vision and setting my goals. And then I realized, palalim ng palalim yung pagmamahal ko kay Atomy. Kasi naging empathetic ako. Sinasabi ko nga, Atomy, lahat ng nag-Atomy, sino po malaki ang puso? Malaki ang puso para sa lahat, sa pamilya, sa kaibigan, di ba? Empathetic, cherish the spirit. And I've always been saying, who love Jesus? Who love God? Sabi po, you cannot love Jesus without loving your friends, your enemies, di ba? Ang mga brothers and sisters natin. So we always have to be empathetic. I have partners na sometimes they ask for payout, but they never attend meeting. Oy, nag-payout ako. Bakit di ko pa natatanggap? What do I need to do? Nakakatawa rin minsan, pero lagi kang sinisin zone. Pero nung sabihin mong, uy, may payout ka, bigla kang na-replyan. Sino nakaka-relate? Dami niyan di ba? Cherish the spirit daw. So, minsan nag-invite ka sa Success Academy 10, 20 times, still they don't come. Cherish the spirit. I actually don't get mad with them too, because I always think, you know what, this is their business too, this is your business. If you don't come, it's okay. Pag umabsent ka, wala ka lang isasagot. Parang klase lang yan Pag nag-miss ka ng school, nag-miss ka ng meeting, wala ka may sasagot sa exam. Diba? Babagsak tayo. So, kailangan talaga nandyan yan. But of course, being empathetic is having a big heart. And I think the bigger your heart is, or the deeper you get into getting to know your partners and loving your partners unconditionally despite of kahit na hindi sila magaling magsalita, kahit na kung ano yung paggawa mo, di nila ginagawa. Sige, maglilista ako, create the list. 10 people, create the list, tatawagan ko. 2 weeks na kami nag-uusap. Ni isa, wala pa rin siyang natawagan. Dahil gusto niya ng payout. Alam niyo yun, nag-create the list kayo. Isa nga, sabi ko, na-frustrate ako. Sabi ko, oh my God, parang 1 month na kami nag-uusap, February na ngayon, wala pa ring result. Diba? Pero remind ko ulit sarili ko, cherish the spirit. It's very important for us to really be empathetic. And why I'm sharing this, because when I first started Atomy, I was actually heartbroken at that time. Remember I told you I was sick? I was sick for 3 years, in and out of the hospital, no income, no health, heartbroken din ako at that time. I was grateful for my sponsor because if not for her, probably I won't be able to do Atomy. And she encouraged me and focused on doing Atomy. She was and she has been empathetic to me. That's why I think it's very important to be empathetic to our partners. Kasi ito talaga yung key dyan. And of course, because of Atomy, sabi nga, just sa picture, tuntua ako sa Dreamy Foundation. Seek first the kingdom of God, right? Seek first His kingdom and His righteousness. Because everything will fall into place. For me, Atomy is love. Naniniwala kayo doon? Do you know what Atomy stands for? Anyone? Okay, you know parang wala Wala talaga. Atomy. Anyone who knows Atomy? My partner should know about this. Yung logo ng Atomy, di ba may Chinese character? The Chinese character actually stands for health and beauty. And Atomy, according to my sponsors, is actually, means like, yung sarangye, love, right? So meaning, Atomy is a place for love, health, and beauty. So I hope, God is love, no? Do you agree God is love? Yes. So when we share Atomy to people, if Atomy is love, we are sharing God to everyone too. Do you believe that? I do. So I think for us, we have to change a little bit of our mindset of sharing Atomy because most of the people, they're very shy. I'm not. That's why, then ang key sa pagiging auto sales master, are you shy to share Atomy to people? Are you shy in sharing love to everyone? I hope not. Kasi malaki talaga. You know why? That's also pays the best interest. According to Book of Galatians, it says, for if anyone think he is something, then he is nothing. Kasi dyan na masasabi na we actually need each other to be able to grow this business, right? And lastly, of course, you have to be resilient. Resilient is not just about endurance, na parang dito na masusubok yung pagpa-follow up, follow through, follow up ka ng follow up, wala pa rin umaaten, na parang gusto mo na sukuan one. If my sponsor actually gave up on me for the last 3 years, I'm probably not here today, right? But because Atomy, she's also very resilient, hindi niya ako sinukuan, kaya nandito ako ngayon. True resilience involves adopting and thriving the face of adversity, not merely enduring it. And we also have to embrace failure. Kasi hindi naman laging masaya. Ang auto sales master, let's say for example, someone become a sales master ng January 1 to 15, tapos naging sales master ka ulit ng March, do you think auto sales master yon? No, kasi it has to be at least every month, right? Tapos marami kang downfall, downside. For me, I actually stopped doing the business for the last 6 months when my mom passed away in 2022. But sometimes, our proudest memories often originates from our hardest experiences. Kasi kailangan kong maghanap ng bagong paghuhugutan at motivation to continue, right? Everybody should learn how to embrace failure. Na failure is actually inevitable. Hindi mo siya mapipigilan. That I hope all of us will be like a tree. Alam niyo yung mga puno, kahit, maganda example yung bamboo. No matter how much rain, how much storm, how much wind, it actually they never break, right? I hope all of us will be like trees that can actually adapt and thrive to whatever problems na pagdadaanan natin sa Atomy. Kasi hindi po talaga madali ang Atomy. Marami tayong pagdadaanan. Pero sabi ko nga, kasi I've been in Canada, I've been seeing a lot of my families who has been working 30 years, 35 years of their life, and until now, wala silang passive income. And because I witnessed that, I don't want to be like that. So I said, if I can build Atomy in the next 10, 15 years of my life, but actually make $1 million every year, who wouldn't want that? Dollars po yun. I-convert ko na sa Pilipinas, 45 million pesos every year. Sino pong gusto nun? Kahit 10 to 15 years. 10 to 15 years lang, konting tiyaga lang. Naka 6 years na ako, ano ba naman yung 5 years pa, di ba? Kung magiging imperial ako, hindi ba, ano na yon? Pasok na yon, and very worth it, right? And of course, kapag hindi ka sumuko, ang problema kasi, kadalasan, sumusuko. Wala pa dun sa dulo ng mastership, sumuko na. Kaya hindi nila narating. So everybody has to be resilient. You have to follow through para matapos natin yung mga challenges natin. And kapag nagawa mo yan, naging Atomy lover ka. Tanong ko ngayon, now you know what Atomy lover is. You're a learner, you're ownership, you're also a visionary, empathetic, and resilient. Now, sino ang Atomy lover dito? Nabawasan yung kamay. Pero ready ba lahat maging Atomy lover? Certified? Yan. Kasi yan ang magdadala sa inyong lahat to become a Global Auto Sales Master. Ang Global Auto Sales Master, to achieve itong PIN natin, I think in the Philippines, they used to be called Maharlika Club member. In Canada, we used to call it VIP, but now it's called Global Auto Sales Master. That is when you achieve your sales mastership 12 times in 12 months. Hulaan nyo kung magkano income. 480,000 pesos! Ay, ayaw pa, mahina. Pero paano kung 2 times per month kang sales master? Income, 960,000 pesos every year. Mahirap bang maging milyonaryo? Hindi eh, 40,000 na lang, may isang auto diamond ka, pasok ka na eh, di ba? Sa 1 million. So hindi pala ganun kahirap. Ngayon, naiintindihan nyo na bakit ko sinuko yung full-time job ko? And now I'm doing Atomy full-time? Because of this. because of the passive income that Atomy can actually offer all of us. I hope everybody become an Atomy lover, certified. Hindi lang yung lover dahil in love ako sa Himo-Him, lover ka na. O matanda ko ng isang Success Academy, lover ka na. Diba? Nanood ka ng isang video, lover ka na. Hindi eh. Atomy lover, you actually be a learner. Anything in and out about Atomy. And of course, take the ownership of your own business. We don't blame anybody when it comes to your business. Yes, right? And then of course, vision. Very important in creating your vision. Kasi without the vision and setting your goal, there will be no direction when it comes to our business. And of course, you need to be empathetic and have a big heart for everybody. Wala tayong pipiliin. Ayoko dito, masungit to. Ayoko dito, laging late. Wala. You don't choose anybody. You love every single person in your team. And of course, resilient. Sinong resilient? Kakayanin kahit ano para sa mga mahal sa buhay? Yes. Everybody's goal is to have a balanced life. You don't need to have it all to begin. You only need to begin to have it all. Thank you, everyone.